Good morning, students. From last videos onwards, we are explaining different topics in business economics for CA Foundation, and already we have started oligopoly market in last videos only. So today we are going to discuss about the how to determine the price and output under oligopoly market. Means how much output and how much price they are deciding under oligopoly market. Now we are going to discuss about this topic only. So decision about the price and output now we are going to discuss. So here once I'll remember what about oligopoly. Already we know that here small number of firms operating total market in the world economies. These small number of firms will be producing large quantities also, because number of firms are small but they are producing more quantity. That's why new firms, they are not taking any day decision to enter into the market, because main reason is here investment level of the oligopoly market firms is large. So if the firm they are entering to the market, means they need more efficiency, ability and everything is they need to survive, to continue to face the competition in oligopoly market. So now we are going to discuss about the how to they will take the decision about the price and output. Here all the firms are, we know that small firms are under oligopoly market, and each and every firm they are taking decision, strategic behavior they are showing when they are taking decision about the price and output of commodity, because here each and every firm will be observed by rival firm. So that's why for continuing of their production and deciding of the price of the commodity, each and every firm they are following strategic behavior. That is also one of the means followed by the oligopoly firm. Next, second one, other firms decision powers. Means here powers and profits of any firm mainly depends upon the other firm's decision only, because other firms, if they are observed, based on that is only these firms are taking decisions. Otherwise this former firm will be getting sometimes losses also. So that's why the powers and profits of any firm mainly depends upon the rival firm's reaction of each and other decisions. So that is we can call as other firm's decisions followed and observed by the firm for getting of the powers as well as profits. Next one is third important point is an oligopolistic firm has to behave strategically. What type of strategies they are following? They are following means for deciding about its price of the commodity purpose. Each and every firm they are behave strategically to decision about its price. Next one is we are saying as observe the rival firms in price and quantity. So when the firm it makes changes will be followed in price and quantity, then other rival firms is also always observing and they are also implementing same manner in their production activity. Then farmer firm will be having chance to getting a fall down of their demand for their product. Market demand will be fall down. So that's why here other firms is always observe the rival firms in the case of price and quantity. Next one is we are saying as a very important one, firm cannot have sure and determinant and definite demand curve, because here each and every firm under oligopoly market is always depends on other firms or rival firm. Rival firms is always observe the farmer firm. In the case of decision about the price, output or otherwise what about it, strategies will be followed by the rival firm. These are all will be followed by the other firms. When they are following these type of strategies, then automatically we are not saying they are having perfect what type of demand curve will be having. These demand curve is we are not saying as a sure and determined and definiteness demand curve. We are not seeing like a normal demand curve like slope downwards from left to right. Main reason is here each and every firm is they are following different strategies for surviving of their production activity and continuing of their production for getting of the maximum profits, and for this purpose they are always observe the rival firms only. Especially what type of observation will be having by each and every firm for taking of price and output decision in the market. These are all we are explained in this way only. Each and every firm they are observe their rival firms to take the decision about the price and output. Then how they are means how the firms are deciding price output. For this output and price decisions, different models will be suggested by the economist also. Then these models, now we are going to discuss about the what about the price output models will be suggested by economist in oligopoly market. That is, first method is to make their decisions independently. Means each and every firm under oligopoly market, they are not depends on any other rival firm. They are taking decisions in their own only. They are not depends on any other firms. That is, we can call as to make their decisions independently. So ignore their interdependence on other firms. Then they are taking price and output decision, and then they are reaching the equilibrium output. Then how do they are reach the equilibrium output? Through equalization of marginal cost and marginal revenue only. They are taking decisions independently. Next, what about the second model? In second model also, some of the economists, they are given different methods here. That is, to make decisions based on the reaction pattern of competitors. So here each and every firm, they are observe their rival firms. What about they are taking decisions about the price and quantity. Then on the basis of reactions of these firms, only these firms will be taking decisions about price and quantity. So first one, they are ignore the rival firms and they are ignore the interdependence on other firms. And second one, they are taking decisions based on the reaction pattern of the rival firms. Next is third one is group behavior. Even group behavior is the one of the characteristics of oligopoly market, because here in generally we are not encourage the group behavior, but here firms they are only showing interest. They are wantedly, interestly willing, pulled together to take the good decision about the price and quantity for profit maximization purpose. So like that they are behave like a group behavior for getting of the maximum profits. So these are all we can call as what type of price and output decision will be taken by oligopoly market. They are following different strategies we are shown here, and different strategies will be explained by different economists. That is, we can call as price output model. Not only this one, even some more other methods also will be following. That is, price leadership also they are following. Price leadership is nothing but they are making cartels. Cartels is nothing but one firm they are wantedly give rights to the anonymously. They are selecting one firm and they are giving rights to the one large firm, and a large firm only deciding the price and output. Then remaining all firms are following same. That is, we can call as price leadership. Then not only this one, even price leadership means which firm will be getting by these price leadership rights. Then these firms will be observed. What about the before what about the quantity and output, and what about the market? These are all will be observed. Means in old data they are old strategies, and at the same time old statistics will be observed by the large firms. Then the large firm will give decisions and implement in all the firms in oligopoly market for getting of the maximum profits, for improving of the market demand. So like that, price leadership is also will be followed by oligopoly market. Price leadership in different ways they are following, but every method they are following to main motive is to get maximum profits only. Every firm, every producer, their main aim is to get maximum profits only. For this purpose, they are following different strategies. Either they are following different strategies to observing of rival firms, and what about the decisions of the rival firms, like that also they are following. Otherwise, sometimes they are independently will take the decisions about through interaction between the MC and MR, like in monopolistic competition, monopoly, and at the same time perfect competition, like that only they are determining their output and price through equalization between the MC and MR, or otherwise reaction based, means observing of the rival firms, and otherwise they are following group behavior, means just like they are behave like a cartels, then also will be having chance to getting of maximum profits. So we'll be having one more part in this oligopoly market. We'll discuss in next videos. So students, if you are like this video, please subscribe and like and forward to share to your friends also. Thank you.